Good morning, students. Today we are going to study our geography chapter number 2. The name of chapter is the structure of the student. In this chapter we will learn about the three layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core, the difference between rocks and minerals, the different type of rocks, igneous, sedimentary and metaphoric, and also we learn about what is rock cycle. So student, have you all know that we all live on the surface of the earth, and this about this we learn we studied in our chapter number 1, and we also learn about that earth has about that different landform feature. And so student, have you wondered how to how the earth looks like inside? Okay, so it is possible to reach the interior of the earth. Is this possible to uh, for human that we reach inside the earth? So we in this chapter we learn about this. So in this chapter, student, we will study the sources that provide us information about the earth interior: earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and deep mines. So student, in this chapter we study about the information, okay, about the information of the about the earth interior, like earthquake, volcanic eruption and deep mines. So let's start this chapter. So structure of earth. So the earth is divided into three concentric layer, which is crust, mantle and core. Each of these layers has its own characteristics. Let us learn more about them. So students, our earth is divided into three layers, which is crust, mantle and core, and each of these layer has its own characteristic, and we in this chapter we will learn about it. So here you can see this is our earth's layer. So student, here you can see our earth surface, okay. And first, this one is this 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 layer, this brown layer is called crust, okay. Then this orange layer is called mantle. This yellow layer is called outer core, and this light yellow layer is called inner core, and this light and dark, this together is called core, okay. So here earth, okay, this is earth, this is crust, this black point will be this black point, this black point is, okay, this black point is crust. Then this orange point will be atmosphere, you can say. Then this will be mantle, this red will be outer core, and this yellow will be inner core, okay. And this is surface of earth. And in this surface, okay, in this surface, here you can see this part is called, is called continental crust, and this part is called ocean or oceanic crust, okay. Here internal structure of earth, you can see here, you can see here, okay. So this this one, these two is called core, this one is inner core, this is outer core, this is mantle, and this is crust, okay. And this is earth together here, okay. So let's start this crust. So the crust is the outmost layer of the earth surface. So student, here you can see that crust is outmost layer of the earth surface, and the thickness of crust is varies from 5 to 8 kilometer beneath of the ocean and to an average of 35 kilometer under the continental landmass. So student, its thickness, crust thickness is varies from 5 to 8 kilometer beneath the ocean. Okay, in ocean part its thickness is different, um, while in continental landmass its thickness is different. So in oceanic part it is 5 to 8 kilometer, and on land mass it will be 35 kilometer. Okay, the main element of make up the crust are silicon, aluminum and magnesium. So that crust is generally made up by aluminum, silicon and magnesium. The main components of the continental landmass are silicon and aluminum, thus it is called Cl. So, or you can say seal. So the main components of continental landmass, okay, landmass, continental landmass, main components are silicon and aluminum, so it is called seal. And the oceanic crust is called seema, as it is made up of silicon and magnesium. So because the oceanic crust is made up of silicon and magnesium, so it's called seema. And the landmass is made up silicon and aluminum, so it's called seal. Now the density of the crust is less than 3 gram cubic centimeter. Okay, the oceanic crust is denser than the continental crust. So student, this is the unit to measure that crust. So this is gram per cubic, means g oblique cc means gram per cubic centimeter. So density of crust is less than 3 gram cubic centimeter, and the oceanic crust is denser than the continental crust. Okay, so means oceanic crust is denser than our continental crust. Means earth's earth crust is all over all over, means if we have ocean, so uh, in the deep sea, we have also we have there will be also a flat surface which is earth surface. So earth surface, so in that, there their density is closer than landmarks density. Okay, now mantle. Okay, so mantle is the layer below the crust is called the mantle. So the layer which is below the crust is called mantle, and it is 2900 kilometer thick. It is mostly made up of silicon, iron and magnesium, and its density varies between 3.5 and 5.5 gram cubic centimeter. Okay, then the mantle consists of two layers, the upper mantle and lower mantle. The average temperature of the upper mantle is 870 degrees Celsius, while the lower mantle has an average temperature of 2200 degrees centigrade. The mantle is an semi solid state. So student, the layer below the crust is called mantle, and it is 2900 kilometer thick. It is mostly made up by silicon, iron and magnesium, and its density is various and in between 3.5 to 5.5 gram cubic centimeter. And it's the mantle consists of two layer, which is upper mantle and second one is lower mantle. And the temperature of the upper mantle is 870 degree centigrade, while lower mantle is average 2200 degree centigrade, and mantle is a semi solid state. Next we have core. So the innermost layer of the earth is called the core, and its thickness is about 3500 kilometer. It is made up by nickel, iron, and so it is known as knife. Its density is about 11 gram cubic centimeter. The core is also divided into two parts, which is outer core and inner core. The outer core has a temperature of 3700 degree centigrade and in a molten state. The inner core has a temperature of about 5000 degrees centigrade but is still in a solid state. This is because the extreme pressure exerted by the weight of the rocks that lie above it. So, students, cores are also cores are the innermost layer of the earth. Its thickness is about 3500 kilometer, means its thickness is 3500 kilometer, and it is made up by nickel and iron, so it's known as knife. Okay, then its density is 11 gram cubic centimeter, and this core is also divided into two parts. First one is outer core and inner one is, or second one is inner core, and the outer core's temperature is 3700 degree centigrade and it is a molten state, while inner core has a temperature about 5000 degrees centigrade but it is still a solid state. And why it is in solid state? So because of extreme pressure which is exerted by the weight of the rocks that lie above this in this inner core. Okay, so that's why it is in solid state. So I hope student you all understand the core, mantle and crust. But if you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic, so free feel to ask. And tomorrow we will discuss about rock and minerals and also type of rocks. So I hope you all understand. So this is enough for today. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.